No, I can't understand. I can't understand why the town isn't building a plexiglass dome to protect this space. It's our space. It belongs to the people of Nice. It's our suffering.
On va en partie numériser les objets, les poèmes, les photos avec peut-être.
We're going to partly digitise the objects, poems and photos, with perhaps the idea in mind of creating a website, perhaps dedicating a publication, as was done in Paris, to pay homage to the November attack victims. Everything is possible. From the moment the memorial item is collected, classed and conserved, and then afterwards, whether it's in 3 years, in 10 years or in 300 years, the objects will still be there.
Il a bien le regard, lui. Hein.
Ah ouais.